Knocking off 2 hours of sleep. Desperate need of this coffee. So look at this thing though. Got the coffee. All right, let's hop back on the road. I do love how comfortable the 992 buckets are. All right, let's get out of here. Should be laying down at the beach right now with how nice it is. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are in the Porsche 992.1 GT3 RS, courtesy of my friends over at Monza Exotics. Going to be going for a nice little coffee run, so let's go ahead and get on the road. Absolute beauty. Alrighty, let's fire her up and get on the road. Alright, let's get out of here. Video, we'll put those windows up. Cannot believe this is the first video that I've shot with this car. Exhaust on it sounds so good too. Don't quote me on it, but I think this one has a Dundon system on it. Beautiful day for it too. Pouring rain the past few days. This morning, super windy and cloudy, and finally clear. Beating NA flat 6. Too good. Put her into track mode too. There we go. ripping the stogie in the M8 comp. Sleazy. Whoa. Rocking off 2 hours of sleep, desperate need of this coffee. So look at this thing though. Beautiful, however the red wheels, not really my taste. I think silver wheels on anything's the way to go. All right, I am so out of it today, but got that coffee, still filming. Camera's contrast right now is crazy with the sun, but yeah, can't believe this is the first video I've shot with this car. All right, let's hop back on the road. I do love how comfortable the 992 buckets are. All right, let's get out of here. Should be laying down at the beach right now with how nice it is. This is not a bad second though. There's so much traffic today. Just gotta get off PCH. Yeah, not too much commentary today. Too tired for it. Still wanted to film something though. I've been slacking big time, just been super busy. Car is just begging to get on a racetrack though. Super quick video today. Just wanted to film something because I know the channel's been pretty inactive and this is definitely a good car to do it in. But yeah, we'll wrap it up here, I suppose. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to bring us to the end of our video in the 992 3RS. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, we will see you in the next video.